If you are looking for a camper van that can take you completely off the grid without sacrificing luxury, you need to see this. This is a one-owner 2023 Thor Sanctuary 19P. It's built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis, equipped with a massive lithium power system. And best of all, it is still under Mercedes factory warranty, which is a big deal for buyers shopping a 4x4 Class B. I'm Alex with your RV broker. For those who don't know us, we specialize in private party RV sales and work one-on-one with buyers and sellers throughout the DFW area. In this video, we're going to do a full walk around so you can see the exterior ruggedness, the interior layout, the off-grid systems, and exactly how much gear you can fit in the back. Let's start with the exterior and talk about what sets this van apart from a standard two-wheel drive Sprinter. Let's start at the front. The Sanctuary has a great stance with its lifted suspension, BFGoodrich all-terrain tires, and black wheels that complement the exterior and are built for real off-road use. The matching running boards feature a no-slip surface, improving both appearance and safety when entering and exiting the van. Along the patio side, the power awning is fully enclosed and includes integrated LED lighting for daytime shade or evening use. Here's a great outdoor feature. You have a JBL Bluetooth speaker along with a flip-down exterior table, creating a comfortable outdoor living space whether you're relaxing or entertaining. There are also USB ports here for charging your devices. And here's a smart design touch. The kitchen faucet is accessible from the exterior. As we move toward the rear, you'll notice the rear-mounted bike rack positioned for easy access. Both rear doors swing fully open, providing wide access to the storage and garage area. From the rear, you can see the roof-mounted air conditioner, and just above the brake light is the backup camera. Below that is the privacy wall, which can be strapped out of the way when not in use. Under the power sofa, you'll find the electrical system, including a 3,000-watt inverter, supported by a 200-watt solar panel and 460 amp-hours of lithium battery capacity, making this van extremely capable off-grid. The van is equipped for towing with a receiver hitch and 7-way wiring already installed. There's also a dedicated exterior LP Quick Connect conveniently located on the patio side near the table, perfect for hooking up a grill. The RV includes a collapsible aluminum ladder, providing easy access to the roof and compact storage while traveling. This compartment is dedicated sewer hose storage, and below it are the LP tank fill connections. And here's a subtle but important reminder. This Sanctuary is equipped with four-wheel drive. Let's head up to the roof. You'll see the 200-watt solar panel, the WineGuard 360 Wi-Fi booster, and the Coleman roof air conditioner. Take a look at the condition of the exterior paint. This van has an excellent finish, with contrasting colors and tinted windows that give it a clean, high-end appearance. Just below the Truma heater vent is the gray water tank termination valve. Inside, this van uses a cassette toilet system, with the removable tank stored inside a locking exterior compartment. This setup allows for sanitary dumping at alternative locations and helps extend off-grid travel. As mentioned earlier, the separate gray water dump valve is located below. Here you'll find a conveniently located exterior LED light, along with a detachable 30-amp shore power cord, which makes storage simple and clean. The running boards are not only sharp-looking, but extremely functional. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis includes modern safety features and delivers excellent fuel economy. Ask us for a full list of specifications and features. And as a bonus, this 2023 Thor Sanctuary 19P is still under Mercedes factory warranty. Now let's head inside and take a look at the interior. I want to start with an overview. This van is in exceptional condition and is a great example of how buying a quality pre-owned motorhome can save you a significant amount compared to buying new. Not only do you save on the purchase price, but you also benefit from lower payments, reduced sales tax, and typically lower insurance costs. It really makes you question why buying new makes sense when a pre-owned coach like this offers so much value. You'll also notice the front windshield sunshade, which adds privacy and helps manage interior temperatures. Both the driver and passenger seats offer multiple adjustment points for comfort. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter cockpit includes advanced driving technology such as voice-controlled infotainment, intelligent speed assist, and brake assist, making long drives comfortable and confident. Contact us if you'd like a full breakdown of features. Moving into the living area, take a look at the large kitchen countertop, which includes a recessed sink cover to maximize prep space. The layout allows for easy serving to the exterior, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor cooking experience. Across the aisle is a large refrigerator with a freezer, complete with a travel safety lock. It features household-style shelves and drawers, and as you can see, it's in excellent, clean condition. Above the refrigerator is the stainless steel microwave, and overhead is a ventilation fan that quickly exhausts cooking odors or brings in fresh air. The double doors provide easy access to the lavatory. This is a fully self-contained wet bath, meaning the entire space is designed to get wet during a shower. The fold-up sink creates additional room when not in use, and above it you'll find a mirror and medicine cabinet. There are also 2 removable hanging rods that serve as a wardrobe while traveling, keeping everything organized in one compact space. Moving toward the rear, you'll see the seating area, which includes a table mount for dining or games. Electrical outlets and USB ports are conveniently located for your devices. This switch here controls the power sofa bed, which converts into a sleeping area measuring nearly 6 feet by 6 feet with the addition of the center cushion. The sofa also includes seat belts, allowing for additional passengers. Throughout the van, you'll find privacy pull shades and modern overhead cabinetry that adds storage without crowding the space. This is the digital command center, along with the Truma system controls, allowing you to manage climate and utilities efficiently. The air conditioner is positioned above the bed to help maintain a comfortable sleeping temperature. And finally, there's a conveniently TV located perfect for streaming your favorite shows using the onboard Wi-Fi booster. This Sanctuary 19P is one of the cleanest pre-owned Class B 4x4 vans we've seen. If you've been researching Class B diesel vans, you know how hard it is to find this level of off-grid capability and 4x4 reliability in such a clean pre-owned package. The Thor Sanctuary 19P truly checks every box. At Your RV Broker, we bring over 35 years of industry experience to every transaction. We specialize in private party sales to keep the process transparent, clear, and stress-free. We make buying easy. Most trades are welcome, and we have financing options available with credit approval, even for buyers who may not have perfect credit. This unit is available right now in Justin, Texas. To see current pricing, additional photos, or to schedule your private appointment, click the link in the description or call or text us directly at 817-409-8997. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please like and subscribe for more tours. I'm Alex with Your RV Broker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you find the right one.